Okay, so now that we have an example for annuity immediate or annuity due. You will receive the $300 a year for 10 years, beginning 20 years from now. So let I is equal to 4%. This is annual effective interest rate. What is the value of the cash flow at t is equal to 19? T is equal to 19 means the 19 years from now. Okay, so this is slightly more complicated than just the definition of annuity immediate or annuity due. So we have time point 0. So the time unit is year. And you will receive $300 a year for 10 years, beginning 20 years from now. So that means that we have, okay, so year 19, year 20, and at year 20, that you would receive the $300. And the 10 years, so that means the 20 to 29. So this is the cash flow. And we want to calculate, okay, so $300 each year. And we want to calculate the value at cash flow at the time 19. So that means the present value is here. And here, the relationship between this PV and the cash flow, $300 10 times. So this is exactly the this exactly means that the PV is annuity immediate for 10 years. So that means the PV is 300 times the annuity immediate for 10 years at 4%. So this is equal to 300 times the 1 minus b to the power n, n is 10. So 1.04 to the power negative 10. So v is equal to 1 plus I inverse. Okay, so remember that the v is equal to 1 plus I inverse. Then divided by I, so this number. So if you calculate this in a calculator, then this becomes the $2,433.27. So in this way, that we can calculate the present value. So the point is just the relationship between PV and the cash flow. So if all cash flows are shifted, then yeah, if all cash flows are shifted, then the same formula as the annuity immediate apply. So the formula for annuity immediate or annuity due can apply. So in this case, that we shift by 19 years. In this example. Yeah. Okay, so now that we think about using the calculator, so annuity immediate and annuity due can be calculated very quickly in BA2+. So at first, we clear the memory, so we have to type second. Second is the actually in the second row and the most left key. Then we clear memory, so clear time value money function. So this is the third line. and the most right button. Then we cleared the numbers. Okay, then we have to input all numbers. At first, this is the annuity for 10 years. So we type 10, 10. Then type n. So now the 10, so n is defined as 10. Then interest rate is 4%. So we type 4, then I over y. So I over y is percent. So not 0.04. We have to input 4. Then I over y, then 300. So finally, we want to get PV as positive number. So we should put the 300 as negative number, negative payment. Okay, so that is, okay, so negative 300 it means. So 300, 300, then positive negative button, then that is payment, so PMT. Then we define payment as 300. Then we want to calculate present value, so compute CPT, present value. Then we get the 2433.27, maybe 2433.2687. So we can get the same answer. So basically, the annuity immediate and annuity due are defined so that we can quickly calculate it in the calculator. Okay, so this is how to solve this question. And how about the PV? So PV means the actually, okay, so it's a little bit confusing, but the PV at 19. So maybe I would say this is PV sub 19. Now that we want to calculate the the present value at time 0. Then how to do that? We can just go back 19 years. So maybe we can say just the V19 times the PV sub 19. So go back 19 years. Go back 19 years. Go back 1 year. We have to multiply V. So go back, if we want to go back 19 years, we have to multiply the V to the power 19th. Or you can just say 1.04 to the power negative 19 times PV. And PV19 was the 2433.27. So this becomes 1154.93. So $1,154.93.